Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. My boy Mr. Talented Reed, and I'm back on the 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. So in today's video, I'll be showing you where to locate the fuse that control your AUX USB port, which is this device right here. Right here, I'm going to show you the fuse that control it. So to locate that fuse, you're going to remove this cover, and on the cover you want to locate the fuse that's 2 module 10 amp, which is right here on the cover. So when the cover facing down like this, I look for the 10 amp fuse that's 2 module. And right here, this is the fuse that control it, that 10 amp. On the right hand side, the lower fuse. So you can see there's a switch right here on the wire loom, the connector that plug in. So on the right hand side, this is the 10 amp fuse that control it. So I'm going to plug in a little device in the USB port. This little device right here. So I'm going to plug it in now. So now I plug it in, I'm going to switch on the key. Okay, so now I switch on the key. As you can see, it's light up. And then I'm going to remove the fuse. Okay, so now I remove it. Now I see that the light goes out. So now it goes out. I'm going to replace the fuse. So I'm going to plug back the fuse in. Okay, so now it's light up. I'm going to remove it again. Wait a few seconds. Now it goes out, so now I'm going to plug it in back. And there you go. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.